I'm so excited to bring this video to you because I think I have discovered the perfect faux loc ponytail, and it's this one here. It's so brilliant. Ah, I love it. I so love it. You know, I watch these YouTube videos and I watch all these girls slicking their hair back with gel and stuff like that, and I think to myself, but I don't want to put gel in my hair, and I'm the type of person that is like really for expediency. So if it's not fast and I have to faff around, I ain't gonna do it. So I was absolutely delighted with this one because I've been looking for a natural textured ponytail for the longest time, and I do have Miss Puffy Big and she's absolutely gorgeous, but I wanted just something different, and I didn't want to have to worry about matching the curls and all that sort of stuff. So this fits the bill. It is the SPUP42 whatever clip-in faux loc ponytail, and it's actually by Bobby Boss. And if you're looking for something fast and expedient and you don't want to have to do anything to your natural hair, this is it. So this is it all done up. Literally a matter of seconds. I'm going to take it down and then put it back up just to show you how expedient it is. And it's off. I'll just show you the inside of the ponytail. It has two small combs and a drawstring. The ponytail itself is actually very, very long. If I were just to wear it as is, it comes down to my belly button, so it's really, really long. And obviously you can wear it like this if you want to in various styles. I prefer to shove it up in a bun. No pins at all. Did you see that? That's so good. My own actual hair, I'll show you what it looks like. Just take the lucky band out. And this is why I was so happy. You know when you wash your hair and you've got your twists? I like to keep them in for quite some time, but the problem is I don't feel comfortable quite going out like this. Hence why I'm so chuffed with this ponytail, because I can literally just put them all up, and it gives the idea, I've kept them quite chunky, so it gives the idea as if I've actually got braids or twists or locks or whatever it is in. So I put them all up into a ponytail and make sure that the bun I create is quite small, because one thing I did notice one thing I did notice about the inside of this is that it's not very roomy, so make sure that this little pom-pom thing is quite small. I found it useful to put the comb at the front in first. I sort of dig it into a twist, and then I feed the hair into the little cone section like that, and then insert the comb on the other side. There we go. And then pull it tight in. Once that's done, I divide the ponytail into about 3 even sections, and I like to have quite a wide base at the bottom, so I wrap it like this. Ready? I don't pull it too tight. I pass it underneath the hair at the back, and this is the bit I love. Literally no pins, just tuck the hair in under itself. Then I take the remaining hair and I do the same thing again, and once again I just tuck it underneath. Voila! Bun is done. Obviously there's a knack to it, but I think it's absolutely amazing. Tell me what you think. Anyway, if you want to have like a really high beehive, is to wrap it all in the same direction, and then you can get some height on it. The thing about this is that it's so lightweight and it will just stay. It doesn't require pins. It's brilliant. Plus, it's really good price. Ladies, you're gonna love this. Oh, it's fabulous. Tell me what you think. I'll be back soon with another video on time-saving hairstyles for naturalistas and wiggies like me. Do like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Ciao.